Hello, dear learners. In this listening practice video, we are going to learn about gratitude. This video is especially designed to help you improve your English listening skills, while also learning something meaningful and inspiring for your life. In this video, you will listen to simple, clear English. You can practice understanding new words, phrases, and ideas. Try to focus on the meaning and enjoy each sentence slowly. So, sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and listen with an open heart. Let's learn about the power of gratitude together and improve your English at the same time. Gratitude means feeling thankful for all the good things we have, big or small. It helps us see the beauty around us, even on difficult days. Many times, we forget to stop and appreciate what we already have. We focus on our problems or think about what we don't have yet. But when we choose to feel grateful, our mind becomes more positive, and we feel more peaceful and happy. Think for a moment. What are you thankful for today? Did you say thank you to someone? Can you remember a small moment that made you happy this week? These simple questions help us remember the good things we already have in life. Every day, we are bombarded with endless distractions. New goals to achieve, new things to buy. Endless comparisons on social media. We scroll past highlights of other people's lives, making us feel like we are always lacking something. We keep telling ourselves, I'll be happy when I get that promotion. I'll be grateful when I finally buy that car. I'll appreciate life when I reach my dream body. But here's the truth. If you can't be grateful for what you have now, you'll never be grateful for what's coming. Gratitude isn't about waiting for life to be perfect. It's about seeing perfection in the small, ordinary moments. Research shows that practicing gratitude physically rewires your brain. When you focus on what you're thankful for, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals. You feel happier, more peaceful, and more motivated. People who regularly practice gratitude sleep better, experience less stress, and even have stronger immune systems. It's not just a spiritual idea, it's science-backed. Gratitude is like a workout for your mind, strengthening your mental resilience and emotional strength. Think about your relationships. How often do you express gratitude to your partner, your parents, your friends, your colleagues? A simple thank you can create deeper connections. When people feel appreciated, they give more love in return. Gratitude turns ordinary interactions into meaningful bonds. It teaches you to focus on what's good in others rather than what's missing. The next time someone helps you, don't just say thank you out of habit. Pause, look them in the eyes, and truly mean it. You'll be amazed at how this small change can transform your relationships. What about when life gets tough? When you lose a job, when someone betrays you, when you're struggling with your health or facing failure. That's when gratitude is the hardest and the most powerful. Gratitude doesn't mean ignoring your pain. It means choosing to find light even in the darkness. Maybe the setback taught you patience. Maybe the heartbreak showed you your own strength. Maybe the failure redirected you to a better path. The strongest people aren't the ones who never fall. They're the ones who can still say, thank you, even when life is challenging. So, how can you cultivate gratitude in your daily life? Start a gratitude journal. Every morning or night, write down 3 things you're thankful for. They don't have to be big. It could be your morning coffee, a kind word from a friend, or simply the sound of birds outside your window. Express it aloud. Tell people you appreciate them. Don't wait for special occasions. Shift your focus. Instead of thinking, I have to, think, I get to. You don't have to go to work. You get to go to work and provide for your family. You don't have to exercise. You get to move your body and grow stronger. Find gratitude in challenges. Ask yourself, what is this teaching me? With these small habits, you train your mind to see abundance everywhere. Imagine a world where more people practiced gratitude. Less complaining. Less envy. Less anger. More kindness. More patience, more joy. When you show gratitude, you inspire others to do the same. It spreads like ripples in water, One small act of appreciation can start a wave of positivity that changes an entire community. Today, I challenge you, before you go to bed tonight, think of 3 things you're grateful for. Say them out loud. Feel them deeply. And tomorrow, do it again. And the next day, watch how your life starts to transform. Because in the end, the most powerful force in the world is not money, fame, or power. It's the simple, pure, and unstoppable power of gratitude. Thank you so much for listening to this video today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the power of gratitude and felt inspired to be more thankful every day. On this channel, we don't just help you practice listening. We also share lessons on vocabulary, grammar, and fun English quizzes to make learning interesting and easy for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. It will help them improve their English and feel inspired too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. And in the comments, tell me one thing you feel grateful for today. I would love to read your answers and connect with you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and always stay grateful. See you in the next video.